Okay, so I've got an assembly here that we want to come in and turn off some layers on. I've got a couple of layers already defined that are kind of organizing some screws here. And if I want to come in and do this within Nitro-CELL, you have to use an execution worksheet. And I'm just going to filter by the model object type and then scroll down to my layer commands and layer hide. By default, it's going to take the active model that's currently in session, but you can put in a specific model to perform this operation on, so long as it's in session. It doesn't have to be the active model. You can go target something that's in the assembly that you want to perform this function on, or that's just in session and not displayed also. So I'm going to leave it blank for now because we're going to just affect the model that's currently active. And I'm going to come in and say the left screws um, layer is what I want to affect. So when I press the do a button, it's going to go in and you'll notice here that it's turned off the display of that or hidden the layer. But the screen didn't change. Well, you have to just move the screen slightly or do a repaint or refresh to see that the change has taken effect, and you'll notice that it's turned off. I'm going to unhide this, and we're going to come back in and get a little bit more fancy. I'm going to put in a wildcard. Uh, so we put in a star underscore screws, and that's going to do a name match on any layer that matches that. When we press the do it button, you'll notice that it immediately turns off all of the matching layers. And all I have to do is just modify my display or spin it slightly or repaint it, and you'll see that the changes have taken effect.